Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have this Mercedes Benz quality car here, 2007. It looked like 2020. The owner maintained it very, very, very good. Give me that key. Our problem is that in this car we have, okay, let me unlock it. We have a problem with the window. You see this, the mirror, folding mirror. We have a problem that if I fold it here, look, if I start this car, what happens is, both of them, they are working different. Like if I fold it, it do like this. If I fold it, one is open, one is closed. If I unfold it, this is closed and this is open. Do I have to do programming and all this? No, what I did is I have to go to the base of the, okay, and when we try to activate this one here, it, like if you want to close it, one is open, one is closed. This window, this mirror open, this closed. If you push the button again, this one closed and this one open. And instead of going through changing that mirror and do this one here, we went back here. You see here is the outlet of the mirror. This one here, the bottom connector. And 1 and 2, look for the output. You know, like we have polarity here. One is left and one is right. So we took the polarity of closing where it's on ground, we change it to the other side and for the motor so that it corresponds with the other one. You have to be sure that to get exactly which one that can work when you command it. After we finish, we put it in, everything, it look perfect and work fine, and then you put it. You don't need to change this motor, spend $1,000, I don't know, and then you're gonna go with it. It's just very simple and leave it like that. Yes. Thank you for watching our channels. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris on Best Car Fixes.